Problem set 06H. SAT problem. If A and B are the lengths of the legs of a right triangle whose hypotenuse is 10 and whose area is 20. What is the value of the quantity A plus B raised to the second power? Solution. By Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared is equal to 10 squared. Since area A of the triangle is equal to 1/2 the product of the legs, we get 20 equals 1/2 times AB. It follows that AB is equal to 40. With this, twice AB is equal to 80. Using this equation A squared plus B squared is equal to 10 squared, we have A squared plus B squared is equal to 100. Now, adding both sides of this equation by 2AB, we get A squared plus B squared plus 2AB is equal to 100 plus 2AB. But 2AB is 80, so we get A squared plus B squared plus 2AB is equal to 100 plus 2AB. Now, the left side of the equation is a perfect square trinomial, so this can be expressed as the square of a binomial. But 2AB is 80. So we have the second power of the quantity A plus B is equal to 180. SAT problem. What is the area of a triangle whose length is twice its width and whose perimeter is equal to that of a square whose area is 1? Solution. From the given, since the square is 1, hence, the perimeter of a square is 4. Since the perimeter P of the rectangle is equal to that of the square, then we get perimeter P is equal to 4. Hence, we get 6W is equal to 4. So, W is equal to 4 over 6. With this, the length is 2W equals 2 times 4 over 6, that is, 8 over 6. Therefore, the area A of the triangle is equal to length times width. That is, 4 over 6 times 8 over 6 equals 8 over 9. SAT problem. A jar contains 10 red marbles and green ones. How many red marbles must be added to the jar so that 60% of the marbles will be red? Solution. Let X be the number of red marbles to be added in the jar for it to contain 60% red marbles. Since there are 30 green marbles and 10 red marbles, then we have 10 plus X over 40 plus X is equal to 3/5. Take note that 40 is the sum of the green and red marbles. Manipulating the equation, we have 5 times the quantity 10 plus X equals 3 times the quantity 40 plus X. By distribution, we have 50 plus 5X equals 120 plus 3X. Solving for X, we have 2X equals 70, giving us X equals 35. Hence, 35 red marbles are needed so that the jar contains 60% of red marbles. SAT problem. In the figure, if AB and AC are equal, what is the value of X? Solution. Since AB is equal to AC, it follows that triangle ABC is isosceles. Hence, angle B is equal to angle ACB are equal since base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. Now, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle ACB is equal to 180. In the equation, replace angle A by 50, then apply subtraction property of equality. Here, we get measure of angle B plus measure of angle ACB is equal to 130. Since angle B is equal to angle ACB, then 2 times angle ACB is equal to 130. It came out now that angle ACB is 65. But angle ACB and angle X are supplementary. Hence, measure of angle ACB plus angle X is equal to 180. Replacing angle ACB by 65, and applying subtraction property of equality, we get angle X is 115. Thank you for watching. Please share this to the learners.